Today on American Blacksmith, we're going to demonstrate how to forge bronze, and we're going to be making this cottage latch, and we'll show all the different pieces and elements to forging that. All right, we're going to show the assembly of the cottage latch. We're starting out with a plate that is 4 inches wide by 6 inches long, and it is about 3/16 inches thick by the time we forged it. And we chamfered and beveled all the edges. And then this crossbar here that we forged from the 1 inch square, it's 1 inch flat by quarter flat. Same with this piece for the catch. So when I wanted to show that all this is forged out of bronze except for the spring here, and that we made out of high carbon steel, and the same with this rivet. And then we used the same brass brushing technique in a previous video, and then you can just put a strong clear coat. They have UV resistant exterior clear coats these days, and that'll match up with the bronze. The rest of it is all forged with bronze and brass screws. Now, we'll show the assembly of the backside. We forged a piece and offset it from a piece of square here, punched a hole or drill a hole through in here, and then on the backside we're using a washer and then a piece of keyway for the latch itself, and that'll turn and hit the spring. Alright, here I've forged the latch mount with the big slot in it here. Forged it at 90 here. And then on the back side we put pins and drilled through here and then brazed everything together, including this washer and the keyway. And here for the keeper on the latch, we forged this piece here, and then the same process of using pins, drilling through and brazing it. Very clean connection. And now I'm going to show the back side of the assembly of the cottage latch, and this plate here is similar to this fitting here with the ring in it. So on this side you have your keyway and however thick that your door is, and then we forge a similar piece like the front, put it through the piece here and braze this all together. Then this goes on to the keyway, and you can make another ring, or you can elaborate. So you can forge another ring like this on the outside of the latch, or you can do one like this and actually make a door knocker out of this side. And you could put a strike plate with a couple screws right here. What we're going to start out with is a piece of 1 inch square silicone bronze. I'm told that you can forge naval bronze also, but we keep a few standard sizes of this naval bronze, and we can easily forge it into smaller stock because it's so soft. Okay. The melting temperature of bronze is 1750 degrees, so you probably don't want to be forging anything over 1500. Because the bronze is soft, we can easily manipulate, change the shape and size of the material. Okay, I'm using a dome-shaped hammer here to do the chamfering or the edges. The heavy bronze tends to bounce a lot. Another advantage of being able to forge your own bronze is that you can make fittings for your knives, bolsters, guards. So this has the silicone bronze fittings. This is a Damascus blade with brass pins, a handmade mosaic pin here, and filings, checkering. We promised some critter talk, and so today we're going to introduce you to Harley. We brought back Xena, the Zonky, or some call Z-Donks, and we're going to do a special video on Xena here. Here is Harley, the Spanish Mustang. He's not an American Mustang, but he's an original Spanish-bred Mustang, and we will do some more talk on him later.